Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be doing an up-to-date room tour. I haven't done one yet this year, surprisingly. I know it's a bit late, I normally do one in like March or something, but yeah, I'm finally doing one, so let's get into it. Okay, so as you walk in, you get to my bed like you always do, and as you can tell I have got new walls now, they are white and not purple. So yeah, that's a big change to my room. I've also got LED lights around the entire ceiling. So that's also a new change. And then, so yeah, there's my bed. On the right, I've got a dartboard. I don't think this was in my previous one. So yeah, I've got that now. Oh, I'm a bit zoomed in, aren't I? There we go. So yeah, I've got my dartboard, and then, yeah, I'll get to that part later. So onto the left now, we've got my desk area. We've got this Xbox stand, which can hold your headphones and up to 4 controllers each side. Then inside, you've got games, like a gaming locker thing, so that's quite cool. And then yeah, I've just got my Blackpool towel that used to be there. I've just put it like here as like a thingy, just to make it look a bit nicer rather than just having wood. Got a box of tissues. This is for a battery pack for the controls for my Xbox. Yes, I have finally switched from Nintendo Switch to Xbox, so that's good. And yeah, so moving on, you have my actual desk. So here we have Stranger Things still, all there. We've got a clock now, we've got a new soundbar, we've got that like DC thing that was like down on the bottom of my shelf. Over here we've got four, and I forgot his name, so don't judge. Yeah. Then here we've got like Conquer Blackpool Tower, and we've got like an England, no, Britain, I think, yeah, Union Jack flag inside of it, because why not? And then on this part of my actual shelf, let me just move my chair, give me a sec. There we go. So here we've got a few Lego sets. We've got this Lamborghini one and character. Over here we've got the car from Chamber of the Secrets with Ron and Harry. We've just got two little cars. That one's from Rocket League. And then we've just got a random one I got from nursery like 10 years ago. Got a golden coin. We've got this blue Porsche car I got from school. Got like this little Blackpool Tower thing. We've got this Blackpool thing. I don't know if I had all this in my last video. Then I had Skegness little thing here, like some seagulls on, and a plant pot looking like fake one, and just a random stone. Don't ask. And then on my desk we've got I think it's the same TV as my last video. Not entirely sure. Then we've got, yeah, just my normal desk. It's my nice controller I got for Christmas. And I've got my Xbox. I've got this little fan, which is controlled over here by this little thing. And then we've got my Alexa there. I don't know if you can see her. Alexa. There you are, she's there. And then you've got a Skybox. And yeah. So that's my entire desk area if you want an overall look at it. There you go. Then over here next to my desk we've got these. We've got Can I Just Finish This Game? Cautionary Gamer, and just 5 more minutes. I got them for quite cheap, they look quite cool, so I decided to get them for my room. We've got this Hellfire Club thing still over here, along with the Hogwarts Harry Potter one. Over here we've got my shelf, we've got a Lego camera, we've got these 2 Squid Game Funko Pops. We've got Steve and a Robin Funko Pop. Let's move my chair again. Down here we have got Fallout Boy and this Marvel one. Don't know who it is, so don't judge me again, I don't watch many films. We've also got the Flash from DC. We've got this Gringotts Bank, which is actually a money bank. As you can see, you can put money in. And I've got these things I got from Blackpool, like these drinks I still haven't drunk. So I'm never going to drink them because we've been there for ages. And I've just got some random stuff like a projector and some other random stuff. Over here, this is a wall, it's blank because I use this wall for my projector, which is obviously over there. And then yeah, so this is my brother's bed. He loves teddies, as you can probably tell. He's got over 100 of them, probably. Not there, obviously. But in general, he's got like over 100. Over here, we've got Joshua's room thing again. My bedside cabinet, same as always. And then we've got my bed. And we've got like this little board thing. most of the stuff from my school, my primary school and all that. Then we've got some Queen pictures. Then we've got this big picture here, which is quite nice. And to be honest, I think that's it. So I'll just give you an overall look on everything. Hope you can all see that. So yeah, let me just flip my camera back around. There we go then. I hope you enjoyed my up-to-date room tour. It's only a short video. I will be uploading more, hopefully. Probably some shorts. I've got a lot of them planned. I've got a lot of stuff I need to do for them. So yeah, we'll probably see a lot of them and hopefully some more lengthy videos again. But yeah, this is sadly going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!